Today, making a great trade recap. This momentum trading strategy recap will improve your trading skills to the next level. As you know, practice is everything when it comes to trading. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start now. Okay, let's focus on the ENA coin, which gave beautiful setups in the last 2 days. This will be an extremely educational and practical video for most of you. As you noticed, ENA has been crushing badly in the recent weeks, since the beginning of 2025. But this crash slowed down recently, just around this weekly imbalance area. ENA has become one of the top gainer coins in the recent days, getting interest from the buyers. When you look at the daily chart, you can easily see the price reaction of this SR Philip area in general. If we get even closer on the area, you'll see that buyers step in, push the coin upwards to this imbalance area. Let's drop even more to the 2 hours time frame. See what happens. Structure breaks, price pushes back into this imbalance and it reacts strongly. Now you may ask this: stop the crap, BS, bullshit, bullcrap. Where did we find the ENA coin? Because the ENA coin was one of the top gainer coins from yesterday in the Binance futures. As simple as that. I saw it yesterday, then I quickly analyzed it. Extremely simple way to find powerful coins to trade. Remember, we reside with the power, we scalp the momentum. Now our beloved indicator, which is the ICT high time frame indicator, helps us to snipe these entry areas. With this indicator, we can see so much in a single layout. Notice this area of 4 time frames with 4 imbalances. This is how the rally ignited at the bottom. These are the areas where we start to seek trades. Now let's go down the lower time frames and talk further. Even though price dive into this 4 imbalance area right here, there's another important price level that we must be careful about. This SR Philip zone. This is a very practical and lovely zone. So we have to talk about 2 trades at once about ENA coin. First trade chance was here at the 4 imbalance top point. Notice how the price sweeps inner liquidity and further liquidity waits for us in the top area. Classic structure break and a compact 2-hour setup. I think everything is clear right now. Stop the video at this point and tell me, do you notice the gigantic power of 3? This is your homework. If you see it, please type PO3 in the comment section. What about the second trade? Second trade is about the pattern we talked about recently, SR Philip area patterns. Now this crazy gigantic equal of liquidity gathered right above the SR Philip area after our first trade. Notice the perfect equal lows. After a while, price strongly dives, clears all the liquidity, and then a low time frame structure break and another 2-hour compact trade. So, what really happened here? A massive SR Philip area comes into existence. At the same time, there is this 4 time frame imbalance tap area, which gives you a quick trade opportunity based on my momentum scalping strategy from the masterclass. This will be your first trade. Then the classic equal low pattern combined with SR Philip area. These give you the second trade chance. This is more based on my main trading masterclass. You see different patterns and different entries based on whatever charts gives us. I hope that you enjoyed this lovely video. Please take care, friends. Have an amazing weekend and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.